Hello and welcome to AppMavericks. My name is Tal Frankfurt. I'm the founder and CEO of Cloud for Good and a Salesforce MVP. Today I'm joined by Simon Tindal from Smart Communications. He's their Chief Technology Officer. Simon, can you tell us a little bit about your company and the SmartCORR application?
Thanks, Tal. Yes, as you say, I'm the Chief Technology Officer here at Smart Communications. Smart Communications formed back in 2004. Our mantra at the time was to actually build an enterprise-grade solution, so it allowed organizations to produce highly personalized communications, whether it be on a standard channel like print or email or SMS, giving real flexibility to those organizations. Since then, we're now over 200 employees providing 24/7 round-the-clock support. We were very lucky and privileged to be able to launch an app into the AppExchange back in 2012. This gave us an opportunity to bring that enterprise-grade solution to the customers within the AppExchange.
300 brands, that's amazing, Simon. Can you tell us a little about your differentiators and what makes you innovative within the Salesforce ecosystem?
Absolutely. So when we built our solution for the AppExchange, we really wanted to seamlessly integrate with Salesforce. So what we've provided is a tool, a set of tools that allow business users and end users to use our solution right inside Salesforce within the browser. So there's no need to leave. So there's no dependence on third-party products like Microsoft Word. Secondly, we really wanted to empower that business user to be able to build those complex templates. And with that in mind, it's really a drag and drop technology, so you're not relying on building code and using Word macros, for example. Also, we've really kind of built our templates for simplicity. So from a single template, you can build for multi-channel. So whether you're going to be building that document that gets sent out to the customer for email, whether it's for a PDF output or for an SMS message, you build that within a single template.
Can you tell me a bit more about how you're built for the enterprise?
Absolutely. Our solution is built to scale. We address all the main use cases, whether that's batch, so think high volume, batch renewal documents, so think of a renewal quote. On demand, think of actually going online and getting a quote. And we also do interaction, so think of calling into a call center and wanting to make some changes to your policy. We provide all of those use cases, and in addition to that, we offer collaboration. And this is really an extension of the interactive use cases, where you can actually collaborate on a document right inside Chatter, or alternatively, you can go external to your organization as well. We've built our solution for maximum reuse. So we have a concept of a repository of all your templates and what we call shared content. That allows you to go and make a single change, which then updates all of those templates within your system once, making for maximum reuse.
I love the concept of never leaving Salesforce. Can you share with us a few examples of how customers are using SmartCORR?
Absolutely. We've got many customers using our solution inside Salesforce. One of the great examples of that is where they're actually reduced the number of clicks to produce communications that they're sending out to their customer from 18 down to 3. This has given a massive improvement inside their organization and empowered business users to be a lot more efficient in producing documents. The great second use case is around our multi-language capability. This particular customer is actually using a single template to produce 18 different languages. The great benefit of that is they only need to update that once and from within a single template. The last use case is around brands and managing multiple brands. This particular customer has 1,000 brands that they need to manage. And from within a single template, they can dynamically change the look and feel of that output based on the Salesforce data.
That all sounds really interesting. Can you show us a demo?
Absolutely. Be really pleased to show you SmartCORR in action. So inside Salesforce, we're going to generate a communication. First thing I'm going to do is select the SmartCORR app. And here you can see the number of different document types that we can select from. But we can also do something more intelligent. Based on the Salesforce data, we can dynamically reduce that list of templates based on the content in Salesforce data. So I select SmartCORR again, and now you can see I've only got one choice to select from. Let's go ahead and edit that document. That loads the SmartCORR draft editor, and within here, we enable business users to hyper-personalize the document. So we give them a number of choices that they can select from. Here we've selected experimental and safety, but also we've got the ability to select from pre-approved content. So let's look in our repository. Here I can just drag and drop the content and put it straight into my document. These are pre-approved wordings without us making any further changes. We can also add free format text. So let's just add the word thanks, and we can highlight that text and go and add some styling to it as well from a predefined list of styles. Once I've done that, I can preview what my document's going to look like in real time. Happy with my changes, I can go back to my draft. I can also see the full audit history of the changes that I've made. But I'm now going to generate the final output, which gets added straight back into the notes and attachments within Salesforce. So now that we've generated the document, we can view the final output, and you can see within a few clicks what we've produced using SmartCORR.
Simon, that's great to see how a user can make modifications in a control environment. Where can customers learn more about your application?
So they can head off over to the Salesforce AppExchange, where they can do a search on SmartCORR and download a trial today. Alternatively, visit smartcommunications.com.
Thanks, Simon, and thank you all for joining us today at AppMavericks.
Been an absolute pleasure. Thanks for the opportunity.